Hello students, in the last lecture we talk of the image compressions. We initiate our lecture with the types of the compressions, why require compressions, what are the redundant information, which portion could be considered as a redundant information, what are the different possible ways to compress our signals or to reduce the redundancy. And at the last we have seen the whole diagram of the image compression model. In today's lecture, I told you that we're not going to talk about all types of the compression techniques. We're going to simply talk about the transform based compression. So today's lecture is dedicated on the transform based compression technique, that is the JPEG compression technique. So as a part of the today's lecture, initially we're going to talk about the different compression standards available for the image and the videos. We're going to see like what are the different standards available and when they are get the standard, when they got the standards. Then we're going to talk about the JPEG compression, because we know that the DCT is the main baseline for the JPEG compression. So we're going to talk about that JPEG compression. In the JPEG compression, like how to identify the sub bands, like the image is first segregated into different bands. So how to identify like what size of sub band I should use. So we're going to talk about that. Then we're going to see the steps that involves in the JPEG compression, the efficient coding techniques we can make out. Then we're going to see like what are the effects of the quantizations on the JPEG compression, and at the last we're going to make the whole analysis based upon this JPEG compression. So I request you all to just open the MATLAB while I'll talk this particular lecture. So hope to see you all in my next lecture then. Tata.